Hi, I'm David Kennett. Ever feel a heavy weight in your chest or emotions you just can't seem to release? I'm going to share with you a sound used in Chinese medicine to support the lungs and to ease grief. The lungs are connected to our breath and to letting go. We'll begin with a soft sound, a sound that helps clear emotional tension and calms the system. Just breathe and join me if you like. 1, 2, 3, inhale with your nose. And exhale. Try to relax your neck and your shoulders as you do this practice. 1, 2, 3, inhale with your nose. And exhale. And again, inhale with the nose. And exhale. If that felt good, follow me for more ways to use your voice for healing and inner power.